We really go deep into how this whole industry works. How does podcasting work? How does radio work? Who works behind the scenes? What kind of companies do it in the UK, in the US, and further afield? How does this whole mega industry function way beyond the simple act of like switching your radio on, essentially? We like to take students on field trips to radio stations, production companies, podcast studios, just to give them an insight into how the industry functions and to give them some inspiration. And actually, crucially, some contacts as well. It's a people's industry.
We're working with Point Blank, mentoring students that are taking the radio course. So they are here in lessons, learning about the arts and craft of making radio shows. They then come to Hoxton Radio and put that work into real practice, presenting on the radio, producing for radio, and kind of making a full package that's theirs, tailored and tweaked and created by them.
Every single thing that we do in this course, every single module, every single exercise, it is all geared towards what the student is interested in. We're very much here to facilitate what you want to do, because essentially you're coming here to learn how to succeed in the specific area of audio you want to work in. So if you direct all your work towards that, essentially you're creating your own portfolio, your own show reel whilst you're here. If you're already thinking about it, it probably means you're doing the right thing, and come get involved, have fun.